Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you just really quickly how to make baby pink. So as you would expect, it does need to have white and red, but you can also add in a little bit of yellow to change that. So let's show you. What you need is you need some water and you need a paintbrush and you need red paint, white paint and a tiny bit of yellow. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the white first and put it on our page and clean our brush. Then you're going to take a little bit, just a little bit of red and mix that in. You get this lovely pink colour. But now what I'd like you to do is clean your brush again. And then take a tiny, tiny bit of yellow onto your brush, like so. You're going to mix that in. And you start to get a little bit of a sweeter pink. You can take some water and add in a little bit more white to that. And there you have your baby pink.